As your favorite realtor, I know a thing or two about dreams. Whether it's finding the perfect home or baking the perfect treat, it's all about having the right foundation. And let's be real, no dream home is complete without a kitchen that makes your culinary heart sing. Imagine whipping up fluffy cupcakes in a space with gleaming countertops, double ovens, and enough room for all your sprinkles. Sounds sweet, right? Speaking of sweet, I've got a cupcake recipe that's irresistible as your future kitchen. These vanilla buttercream cupcakes are foolproof, delicious, and the perfect excuse to break in your new oven. Let's dive into the recipe and bake up a storm. Ingredients for the cupcakes. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, because every good thing starts with a solid base. 1.5 teaspoons baking powder for that dreamy rise. Half a teaspoon of salt. Balance is a key in life and baking. Half a cup unsalted butter softened, room temperature, just like your new kitchen vibes. 1 cup granulated sugar, sweetness starts here. 2 large eggs, farm fresh if you're lucky enough to have backyard chickens. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, the essence of luxury. Half a cup of whole milk for creamy perfection. Ingredients for the buttercream frosting: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, whipped dreams. 3 cups powdered sugar, the fluff factor. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, more is always better. 2 to 3 tablespoons heavy cream, adjust for desired consistency. Food coloring and sprinkles for decorating, optional but encouraged. Preheat with purpose. Set your oven to 350 degrees and line a cupcake tin with liners. Think of this as setting the stage for greatness, much like I do when prepping your future home for its big debut. Mix the magic. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, larger bowl, beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy, like the clouds you'll be floating on when you move into your dream home. Add the eggs one at a time and then stir in the vanilla extract. Combine and conquer. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk. Mix until combined, because over-mixing is like overpricing a home. No good. Bake to perfection. Divide the batter evenly among the cupcake liners and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. They're done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, and your kitchen smells like heaven. Whip the buttercream. Beat the butter until creamy, then slowly add powdered sugar. Mix in vanilla and heavy cream until the frosting reaches your desired consistency. Add food coloring if you're feeling creative. Your frosting should be as vibrant as your new kitchen backsplash. Decorate like a pro. Once the cupcakes are cool, pipe on the frosting and top with sprinkles. Bonus points if you match the sprinkles to the theme of your housewarming party. Baking cupcakes is fun, but baking them in a kitchen designed for your inner chef, that's living the dream. Whether you're craving more counter space, upgraded appliances, or a view that inspires your culinary masterpieces, I can help you find the home that checks all the boxes. Let's make it happen together. Call me, your favorite realtor, and let's find the perfect kitchen where you can create sweet memories like these cupcakes.